Hi everyone. So next we are going to discuss about econometric method. It's assumed that demand is determined by one or more variables, example income, population, and etc. Demand is forecast on the basis of systematic analysis of economic relations by combining economic theory with mathematical and statistical tools. So depends upon the economic factor like income, population, it will change. So we are using the econometric method. So these are the methods of demand forecasting. What is the importance of demand forecasting? We are going to discuss now. The first one, production planning. With the help of these are the qualitative and quantitative methods of demand forecasting. We are going to planning the production. It will be very easily. So expansion of output of the firm should be based off estimates of likely demand. Otherwise, there many overproduction and consequent losses may have to be the faced. The sales forecasting, with the help of these forecasting methods, we are going to forecast the sales. So sales forecasting is based on the demand forecasting. Promotional efforts of the firm should be based on the sales forecasting. Control of business. For controlling the business, it's essential to have a conceived budgeting of cost and profits that is based on forecast of annual demand. Inventory control. So inventory is nothing but stock. So how to you can control the inventory. A satisfactory control of business inventories, raw materials, intermediate goods, finished product, etc. Requires satisfactory estimates of the future requirements, which can be traced through demand forecasting. So we will know that opening stock and closing stock with the help of that inventory control. Economic planning and policy making. With the help of demand forecasting methods, we are going to framing the policies. The government can determine its import and export policies in view of the long-term demand forecasting for various parts of the country. So growth and long-term investment programs. Demand forecasting is necessary for determining the growth rate of the firm, and its long-term investment programs are planned. So next we are going to discuss about operations planning. So in every organization, there is some we are going to I mean that every organization they are having operations plan. So there is a difference between production planning and operation planning. Production planning, only you are going to focus on manufacturing the product, that's it. But operations planning is a day-to-day activities of the business. So every day you have to plan, not only the single department, they have to plan for the all the departments. They have to coordinate all the departments. They have to achieve a objective or target. So we are going to frame a strategic plan. So strategy is nothing but vision and mission. So vision is a long-term goal, and mission is a short-term goal. Vision is a long-term goal. So operation planning is the result of a team or department working to execute a strategic plan. It's a future-oriented process that maps out department goals, capabilities, and budgets to promote the success of team-based activities designed to support the strategic plan. So in every organization, they are having the two objectives. One is to how to attract the customers to earn more profit. So in every business, they have to plan like that. And also we are having the strategic plan. I already said vision and mission. Vision is a long-term goal and mission is a short-term goal. So what are the applications of operational planning? Purchasing, procurement, and exploration. First, you are going to purchase the raw materials. Then you have to procure. Not only the you are going to purchase the raw materials, you can inspect the raw materials whether it will be tested, and exploration, because you are having the existing product, you have to innovate something, you have to procure the particular product. So manufacturing the product is nothing but a production department, and it will be transferred to the marketing. Then research and development, so R&D, it will be helps to, you are going to design and size of the product. So everything you can decide by the research and development. Then production management and facility planning. So how to manage the production and also facility planning. So most of the organization, they are having their advanced technology. So we are using that advanced technology to monitor all the departments in one place. So finance. So finance, everyone know finance is the lifeblood of the business. So without finance, we can't do run any business. This personal management is nothing but human resource management. So In that operational planning of human resource management, manpower planning. So how many persons required for the particular job to achieve the objective. Thank you all for watching.